Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss a general mathematics class 9 chapter 2, polynomials. Okay, before starting the chapter polynomials, and we have to discuss some things. So any mathematical symbol which has a fixed value are called constant. Just like 3, 4, 5, they always have fixed values. Any mathematical symbol which has fixed values are called constants. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-S, constants. And those mathematical symbols which do not have fixed value, they position wise they can take different values are called variables. Just like we use now x, y, z, these are called variables. So any mathematical symbol which has fixed value 3, 4, 5, these are called constants. And those do not have fixed value like x, y, z, a, b, c. These are some alphabetical symbols. They are used in different purposes. So they are different. They can take different values in different situations. So these are called variables. V-A-R-I-A-B-L-E-S, variables. Now we are going to discuss about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. The symbol, the name is algebraic expression. Any mathematical expressions which is made up of both constants and variable, and they are added by plus sign, minus sign, into sign, division sign is known as algebraic expressions. Just like x squared plus twice xy minus suppose x by 2 into 4y. These are called algebraic expressions. So any mathematical expressions which are made up of both variable and constants, and they are connected by some plus, minus, into or division sign is known as algebraic expressions. Now polynomials. What is polynomial? So a polynomial is any algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable are whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The set of whole numbers were 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot. W whole numbers are denoted by W, and its symbols are what are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot. So any algebraic expression in which suppose x cube plus x squared plus twice x plus 3. This is an algebraic expression. You see the exponents. Exponent of x cube is 3, exponent of x square is 2, exponent of x is 1, exponent of 3 is 0. If you see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, these are all whole numbers. So this is an example of polynomial. So a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which all the exponents of the variable are whole numbers. Now the question is, if the exponents are not whole numbers, suppose we have an expression like this, x squared plus x to the power minus 1 plus 3. If you see here, the exponent of x squared is 2, exponent of x to the power minus 1 is minus 1, exponent of 3 is 0. Here minus 1 is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. So what is the definition of polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which all the exponents of the variable are whole numbers. Then we come to the topic terms. Suppose x squared plus twice x plus 3 is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. X squared plus 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. And each part is called a term. So your terms are x squared, twice x, 3. If I take the polynomial as x cube minus 2xy plus 4x squared, then the terms are x cube minus 2xy, 4x squared. So each part of a polynomial is known as its terms. Then coefficient. There are two types of coefficient. One is numerical coefficient and one is algebraic coefficient. So what is coefficient? If I write suppose coefficient, I will write as spelling coefficient. Coefficient. Suppose 2x square minus 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. If I say what is the coefficient of x square, so here coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is minus 3, coefficient of y is 4, and this is constant term. So if you remove the variable from any term, you will get the numerical coefficient. So depending, these are polynomials. Polynomials are made of both variable and constants. So if the polynomial is made up of only numbers, suppose 3 is a polynomial because we can write 3 equal to 3 into x to the power 0. So 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 3 into x to the power 0. Here the variable is x. So this is also a polynomial. These are called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. All the numbers excluding 0. 0 is not included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, and even negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, fraction, decimal, all numbers are called constant polynomials. And the number 0, this 0 is called 0 polynomial. The name of 0 is 0 polynomial. So till now we have discussed about the terms about the constant and variable. Constants what? Any mathematical symbol which has fixed value are called constants, and any mathematical symbol which can take different values in different situations are called variables. Second part was the definition of polynomials. Any algebraic expression in which all the exponents of the variable are whole numbers are called polynomials. Each part of the polynomial are called its terms. Then from the terms, each of the values, all the numbers, these are called coefficients. The constant numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are called constant polynomials, and the number 0 is called 0 polynomials. Now, depending upon the number of terms, polynomials are divided into several parts. The first is monomial. A polynomial which contains only one terms are called monomial, like terms twice x, 3y, x. Single terms are called monomials. Binomials. And a polynomial which contains two terms are called binomials, like suppose twice x plus 3y, 4x square minus 7y. These are called binomials because it contains two terms. A polynomial which contains three terms are called trinomials. If a polynomial contains 3 times, suppose twice x plus 3y plus 4, 6x minus 7y plus 8. This polynomials contains three terms, so these are called trinomials. After this, we are going to discuss about degrees of polynomial. Degrees. What is degree? Let I have given a name of polynomial px. Suppose polynomials are always given a name, just like we have our name. Yes, is not it? So polynomials are also given a name. Suppose the polynomial is x cubed plus x squared plus twice x plus 3. So you see the exponents of the variable. That the first exponent is 3, second one is 2, third one is nothing but 1, and the degree of the constant term is always 0. Exponent of the constant term is 0. So here the highest power is 3. So the degree will be 3. Degree is equal to 3. So a degree is the highest power of the variables of a polynomial. If I say, suppose x square plus x cube y square plus z square, but z to the power suppose 4. Here this is very interesting. Here the exponent of x square is 2. Here we have x cube into y square. Their product. So what is the exponent of x cube? That is 3. What is the exponent of y square? That is 2. So we shall do the total. 3 plus 2. The total exponent will be 5. Here z to the power 4, its exponent is 4. So highest exponent is 5. So the degree of this polynomial will be 5. Two most important things I will tell you now. The degree of constant polynomials. You know the constant polynomials like 6, 7, 8. These numbers are called constant polynomials. So their degree is 0. Degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Then zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. What is the zero polynomial? Zero polynomial is 0, and the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Its degree is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Always remember, degree of constant polynomial is always 0, and zero polynomial. You have a habit of writing, when in exam it asks what is the degree of zero polynomial, instantly you write 0. That is wrong. So degree of zero polynomial is 0. So degree of zero polynomial is not defined. So the next in the next class, next video we shall discuss about exercise 2.1. Okay, thank you.